real, by the way.
For real, not real.
AI go crazy.
Pose is a dead giveaway of AI.
No, it isn't. I first had to find the location where this happened. At first I thought it was in Dubai, but then I looked at every Grand Hyatt hotel and found the exact location in Abu Dhabi. The water density here will be 1,025 kilograms per meters cubed. I measured the distance the person is flying based on his height and it was less than 15 meters. I then found the exact model of the jet ski and it's a Yamaha SVHO Wave Runner that has a pump with a pressure of 550 psi and a flow rate of 325 gallons per minute. Water goes from the output of the jet ski into a hose and then into a flyboard that pushes the person up. The mass flow rate will be the 1,025 water density times the flow rate, which is 21 kilograms per second. The velocity of the water inside the hose attached to the jet ski is flow rate divided by the cross-section area of the hose, which I calculate to be 6 meters per second. I also calculated Reynolds number to make sure we have turbulent flow. Water loses pressure as it goes up the hose, and the first kind is friction loss, which we can measure by using the Darcy-Weisbach equation. Doing some simple math, I calculated to be 122,000 pascals. Then we have pressure loss because of bends and fittings, which I calculated to be 75,000 pascals. And finally, and most importantly, we have hydrostatic pressure loss, which I calculated to be 10,000 pascals per each meter of the water flowing upwards in the hose. Putting it all together, we would have a pressure formula based on the elevation height. And if you multiply by water density and flow rate, we get the upward thrust force based on height. I also found the model of the flyboard to make sure the nozzle diameter is enough to support the water flow. If the combined mass of the person and the equipment is 100 kilograms, the downward force due to gravity is 981 newtons. I then put these two forces equal to each other and solve for h, the equilibrium height, which I calculated to be 20 meters, which is greater than the 15 meters he was flying at, meaning the video is real.